I hear something crunchy.
Are you just filming him?
Yeah. I think he's licking your box. What is that anyways? Dust?
Mm.
You understand? His pee. That's his pee.
Ew.
No, it's not.
Yeah, he from there. He
Oh, yeah.
jumped
Oh,
in.
yeah.
Remember, he spilled some on me actually. Some of the sand. Freshly
Mom,
peed
it's all
sand.
on video. Hey, you're in the way, huh? Mom, just grab him.
Yeah, that's how he do it.
This is how we do.
Respect the little guy.
Technically, he isn't supposed to be chewing on that thing, Mom. But whatever. Hey, Mom, let him run around the room because he might want water.
Waldo, come here. You wanna run around? Smell. We're not done. Wait, really? It smells?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
I'm gonna cover it. See,
Waldo,
that's
you
why
better
I told him
wipe.
to put a rug in there when he steps down.
If you don't wipe, it smells like cat food. Ew. So stupid.
Kumuha ka na ng rug. Kailangan mo ilagay ito. Is he stepping on it? Oh no.
Let go.
Waldo, don't wipe on the carpet. Oh my gosh. He fell over. Intense. Great, he's gonna be awake the whole night we are playing. And we're gonna have to sleep with him.